Hey guys, this will be a quick one. I just wanted to take a quick video and show you guys what my Diode Dynamics lights look like here in the snow. I just filmed a little off-roading snow video for you guys that'll be coming out at some point. And this is pretty much the first time that I've had the opportunity to drive in the snow with these lights and in the dark. And I've been very impressed. These are the SS3 fog lights. I did do an installation video about these. These are in my 2021 Toyota RAV4 Prime. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I really like how it's illuminating the road and all the snow. Right now it's actually pretty flat, but if you look off to the right a little bit, you can see where the snow is a little bit more rough. And it just does a great job illuminating all of that. When I was just filming this off-road footage, there was a lot of ruts. And I could see the tire tracks. These fog lights did a great job at just illuminating the trail because I'm stupid and I'm doing this at night. We're coming down this hill up here, and yeah, you can see how it just illuminates all of that snow that was just pushed across the road by some plow. I'll keep filming for a little bit, but I'm hoping this will help you guys. If you have any questions about how the lights are, what they're going to be like in the snow. Man, these cars are going slow. Get some snow tires, guys. We're about 2,100 feet elevation. Straight ahead is a ski resort called Greek Peak. So it is pretty snowy and the roads are pretty icy because it's only 32 degrees right now. And we've had a bit of rain, quite a bit of snow. So these are really not ideal conditions, but thankfully I have these awesome Firestone Destination A tires that are 3-peak rated. And this car is doing really well. But again, you can check out my other videos if you're curious about that. I've been doing a lot of driving in the winter and in the snow. And I just filmed again another kind of off-roading video. It's not like too serious off-roading, but it is for me because this is all pretty new to me. But yeah, you can check that out. But anyways, I guess that is about it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick visual of these lights. Hopefully this helped you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Here's some bonus footage here for you guys. You can see how the snow is a little deeper on the right, and I just want to include this clip. They really do a great job at lighting up the snow. Right now, my low beams are on, but my high beams are off.
Turn left onto New York.
I just love these lights. You can even see off to the left. Hopefully you can see off to the left how the snowbank is yellow right there. That's because these things illuminated quite a bit of the ditch. Maybe I'll leave this on for another minute and just get some more footage for you guys. We're going to be making a right following that car right there.
Turn right onto Gulf Hill Road.
Yeah, I can see all of this snow. Really nice.
On Gulf Hill Road for half a mile.
Alright, so unless anything else comes up, that's going to be it for real this time. If you're thinking about buying these lights, no question. I mean, definitely do it. They're awesome. They obviously are a little bit pricey, but I think they've helped a lot. And this isn't even that bad of snow yet. I cannot wait to take these out and do some more filming in some deeper snow. Whenever that does end up happening, I'll make a video about that as well. But for now, hopefully this helps you guys. See ya.